This unboxing is from Hatchet, and it just arrived a few days ago, so kind of late January. Let's take a look what's inside. Okay, the first is a board book called Pigs in a Blanket, and it's by Hans Wilhelm, illustrated by Erica Salcedo. Oh, and it has magnetic flaps, like a blanket, that opens up the book. And then it starts the normal board book. Oh, really cute illustrations, and sort of a bedtime story is what I'm surmising. But I really like the snap panels in the front, and here you get to untuck the piglets and help them start their week. And yeah, it looks cute. The second one is, it is another book by Sergio, Ruzzier's Fox and Chick, which I'm a huge fan of this series. It reminds me of Elephant and Piggy. You have two characters with strong personalities and a lot of humor and really charming illustrations. And so here they are. They have adventures. They are funny. They don't agree. And this looks like a rapidly moving series where they're just like cranking them out. And it's kind of a graphic novel format, which is also new because you don't see a lot of graphic novels for very young kids. But it sort of reads like a picture book, so I'm excited to read this. His books have all been really excellent, and I really do love this Fox and Chick series. Fox is sort of more circumspect and serious, and Chick is kind of this funny, out of control, kind of a jokester. And the third and last book is a picture book called I'm a Baked Potato, with a cover of a dog by Elise Primavera. Oh, art by Juana Medina. Great, we love Juana Medina. She illustrated a poster for Multicultural Children's Book Day, our empathy one, and we're just a huge fan. I just think. And what's interesting is, this is also like a little bit of a different style of her illustration. It appears to be, a lot more colorful, more vibrant. I feel like some of her illustrations are a little bit more, less colorful. But I think she does it great. I love her illustrations. Here you have dogs with a lot of personality. So this is a picture book with actually a fair amount of text. So it's like a pretty long story for a picture book. And let's find out what the story's about. Okay, so Baked Potato is actually the name of the dog. He loses his human, and various animals are helping him find his owner, his human. And it's also a story about the names we're given, which obviously Baked Potato is a weird name for a dog, or a name in general, and helping him find his way home. So it looks like a story full of heart, but yeah, a lot of words on a page. Look at this. Okay, great. And these books are all distributed by Hatchet, so thank you so much for these books.